yun guys, dito kami ngayon sa Pingat, Baguio City. At ito ang iligang location. Yan si Rona nga po pala guys. Hello. Yan, kasi akala niya kasi may kasama siyang model ngayon. Kasalanan ko rin, hindi ko siya na-inform kagad. Ano ba yan? So, solo namin ngayon dito ang mountain. Yan. So this is our first spot. And we shall begin.
In this example, I wanted her to look broken, so I lifted her other leg up as if it's deformed looking like a human doll. I kinda added the butterflies when I edited the picture just cause I saw the butterflies flying around during the shoot and it really goes with the theme.
My love has come along.
Ito yung mga trip kong ano eh. Dreamy shoot.
And my
Next location, bababa tayo. Yes! Saan na ba yun? Ay, ang layo pala. Ay, grabe. Hindi, dito lang sa may bato na yan. Nakikita ko yung bato na yun. Yun yung bato na nakikita ko dyan. Yan! Yung batong yun. yun guys. Yun, yung batong yun. Yun lang naman. Malayo kasi pag doon tayo sa batong yun eh. Yan, so dito lang tayo sa baba. Diyan. Pero ang ganda sana doon sa may parang panto. Ganda sana ng reflection. Pero masyado nang malayo. Tapos nasa taas yung gamit namin. Kaya delikado. Dito na lang po muna kami. Right? Yan. This is our next location. This is Lion King Rock. The Lion King Rock.
A dream that I can call my own.
Half of the time in the shoot, I wanted to try something that is not me, which is very static and almost lifeless poses. Some companies still do it perhaps and they still look really good sometimes. But they are very far from what I love doing or what my so-called style is. But keep in mind that it is more important to click with people than click the shutter. This is my first time working with our Ronaldin, whom I've met at school way back 2017, who is not yet professional model by the way. If you encounter this, make sure to let them feel comfortable, have a small friendly talk from time to time, and that way they won't be shy.
O diba nakaya ni Rona yun? Kaya nyo ba yun? Ang hirap yun ha. Nakakamatay nga naman talaga. Tingnan nyo. Check this out. She's a really brave girl. Mas mataas. Diyan. Tapos ibabaw mo ng kaganyan. Yan, ganyan. Tapos kaya mo pang isandal yung katawan mo dyan sa batong yan. Ganyan. Tapos yan. Tilt mo dito yung ulo mo. Tapos dyan yung masa. Yan. Yes! Yan, half face lang. Try mo ulit, ganito nga yung paa mo. Ganito. Yan ulit. O sige, pupunta daw kami sa flat surface na yun. Yan. Yun na po yung last spot namin before we end our shoot. Ayun, di na namin alam kung saan dadaanan namin. So, wait lang. Yeah. Yes! Flat surface, flat surface. Yes! Ayun! Yan. I love it. Stand
In this part, I tried going back to my old style, which is doing more movements, doing burst shots for the hair flips, and showed her how to do a ballet-ish pose.
Sigo. Hopefully, hindi awkward. Uy, ang galing! Okay na! Yeah! Sorry, naiwan kayo dito. Yan, so next location. Last talaga to. Promise, last na to. Ayan. So, here we are. Dami talagang tusok. Yan. Try mong mas ibaba itong left na yan. Yan, ibaba mo pa. Yan, ganyan. Tapos ito, i-pointed mo yung toe niya. Yan. Tapos yun. Yung kanina. Sandal ka ulit. Yuko. Tapos ganun. Try mo, i-extend mo pa yung kamay mo. Ganyan. Yan mismo. Yan mismo. Pointed mo pa nga iba. Yan. Yung pose na ganito. Yan. Sige, harap ka dito. Harap ka mismo sa akin. Yan, tapos, i-side, yan mismo. I-extend mo pa. Spread din. Yan. Sige. Baba. Yan. Tapos try mo yung isang panang ganyan! Alright! Good. Good. Bato. Bet ko lahat, guys. Excited na ako umuwi para mag-edit. Alright, so we're done with our shoot. Woo! Yes. And it's already almost lunch, so we're going back to the city. Ayan, excited na talaga ako umuwi, guys, para mag-edit. Ang galing-galing ni Rona. Grabe, sana more collaboration again in the future, di ba?
Okay, so that's it for today's Dreamy theme photo shoot. I hope you guys learned something. Well, I wish I could have shown you how I edit the photos, but I guess let's do that some other time. Go ahead and subscribe so that if that video drops on this channel, then you'll get notified. And yeah, I don't know how to end this video, but still thanks for wasting your time watching this, I guess. I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.